Alright, today we're going to do a white line. Starts off with 1 part Grenadine. Rawr! Kind of low on white rum, which is coming up later, so I'm going to go with the small part of the jigger. 1 part. And then we have 1 part Curaçao. I think this is going to be really cool looking, like probably purple. Got 7 parts white rum. So that'll be 1 small and then 3 tall. I think it's supposed to be 2 parts lime, so I think we're just going to squeeze 1 whole lime since I'm using the half shots. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Because it's 1 part lime, or 2 parts limes, so that usually ends up being 1 of the big jiggers. So that's 2 of the small ones. Now we're going to add ice of Bojangles.
Oh! Say when.
When? Pick this up!
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Stiff drinks. Alright. Whoa!
It is purple.
Now we'll be trying this. This is a white lion, by the way, is what it's called. It doesn't have porter in it.
White
It's
lion or lion?
Lion.
Lion.
Ow!
Leon! To the harvest!
Ooh! It's really good.
That is not bad.
Oh, it's maybe it's the purple color, but it made me think of Kool-Aid immediately.
Plus, it's real pretty. And also, it's mostly rum, so that's pretty impressive.
Good job.
I really like that.
It is
Also-
not bad. Oh yeah, like and subscribe and all that. Try this drink. It's pretty in purple. Great for this holiday. See the following. The ba-ba-la-ba-doo-ba. Dooba-da-ba-dooba.